Ever pondered the immense potential of harnessing Python and OpenAI to automate tasks? It's a fascinating world to explore, and today, we're going to delve deep into it. To start off, let's venture into the concept of chaining in artificial intelligence. Chaining is a mechanism where the output of one process is fed as the input of the next, creating a chain of events. This technique is heavily utilized in AI to automate complex tasks, making them more efficient and less error-prone. Now imagine combining the power of Python, OpenAI, and chaining. Python, as many of you may know, is a versatile programming language, widely used in AI for its simplicity and vast array of libraries. OpenAI, on the other hand, is an artificial intelligence research lab, known for its cutting-edge technologies like GPT-3 and Codex. Together, they can create a robust platform for automation. Let's take an example from a popular blog post on learnwithhassan.com. The author discusses using ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, in combination with chaining to automate tasks. The example they provide is about a YouTube video production workflow. With Python and OpenAI, they automate the process, chaining the outputs of one task as the input for the next. This not only saves time but also reduces the chances of errors. But it doesn't stop there. The beauty of this approach lies in its versatility. You can customize the Python script to automate different workflows, opening up a world of opportunities for efficiency and productivity. Now, let's take a quick step back and summarize what we've discussed so far. We started with the question of how Python and OpenAI can be used for automation. We then explored the concept of chaining in AI and how it can be combined with Python and OpenAI for automation. We also looked at a practical example of this approach, showing how it can streamline tasks and save time. In conclusion, the combination of Python, OpenAI, and chaining provides a powerful tool for automation, capable of transforming workflows and boosting productivity. It's a testament to the ever-evolving field of AI and a glimpse into what the future holds. As we continue to explore and innovate, the possibilities seem endless. So stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the exciting world of AI.